ladies and gentlemen, this is our SimpLED. The idea of this trailer was to make it the most simple, but also the most useful trailer that we can make. So we have a set of a trailer, simple, no additional features, like nothing which is extra useful, and a simple, almost 14 square meters screen. The screen is almost 14 square meters. The measure of the screen is 4.8 meters on 2.88 meters high. I think we can go on the back because this is where the most technical details are here shown. The difference between this screen is that the screen is not installed into the frame. It is installed on the hanging bar. The hanging bar you can see up there. It is also holding the three lines of the cabinets, rental cabinets screens, fixed rental cabinet screens. As you can see. Here is Kuba. He will show us how it works. So maybe we can start with that. As you can see, the whole construction is very simple of the screen. What we do now is we do not have, the hydraulic system, the rotation system is manual. We have a very nice and precise made rotation system here, which you unlock with hand tool. Also a hand tool to rotate it. And I will show you how easy you can do that. Kuba, he's just rotating this. As you can see, he can even make it with one hand. Nothing special, nothing complicated. Then again, he is, he has to fix it. He has to, settle and now fix it with the tool. Again, he's hiding the tool for rotating. And what we do now is we unlock the mast, the security locks for the mast in case of something happens with the hydraulic pump. See, even we thought about a little step to go up. We have a special place for those pins. And what we do now is we take the controller. Kuba, could you please show it to camera how it looks? It's just a simple 2-button controller, and you can work to fold it up or fold it down. And Kuba is going to fold it down. This will be the first step to fold the trailer. As you can also see, if you could please make a little focus on how easy and smooth that the screen goes down. You don't need any extra handmade work, any adjustments. It just goes smoothly. Of course, you have to always assist with securing the cables, but it's always like that, even with our regular trailers. Okay, and what we do now is we unlock the upper part from the lower part. The upper part will be those two upper lines of the cabinets. And what we do, first step is to disconnect the cable from the video processor. The video processor, this is something which is, of course, it is included in the offer, but we do not have any racks as we have with normal trailers. This video controller you can put on the trailer, on the desk next to your trailer, or if in case of some weather conditions, you can get some, we can also supply, it's really up to you, it's something extra, a waterproof rack. You can always put it on the trailer, under the trailer, anywhere you want. But the idea is just to have the video processor outside of the trailer. Okay. Kuba just finished folding the cable from the video processor. The next step will be to disconnect the the screen, upper from lower. And this is just one cable. As you see, just one cable, and that's it. Next step is to disconnect the power. Here we have the American version because we are preparing this trailer for American show. However, about this we're going to discuss a little bit later. Of course, this is available for European standards. Don't worry about those camlocks. So, okay, and so he just disconnected the power. The next step is he's going to disconnect the cabinets. As you can see, he's opening the cabinets. And from inside, he's turning off the turnbuckles. There will be 4 turnbuckles on the whole screen to be turned off, and that's it. And that is all that you need to do to disconnect this simple construction of that screen. Also, you see those cables here outside, but in production, they are meant to be hidden inside, so don't bother about that as well. Meantime, I can also tell you more about how this mast is powered. The mast is powered by a hydraulic pump, which is powered by a regular car battery that you can buy in any market, or you have it in your car, and that's it. And that's how the pump works. The pump only folds up and folds down the screen. It does not rotate it. Okay, Kuba is still unlocking the screens. Take your time, Kuba, don't hurry. We have more time, so don't worry. Clients wants to see details of that operation. Meantime, I can also tell you that the idea of this construction was to make it really simple in use and also light, so you don't need to bother with some extra trucks to pick up, or trucks to hold it, to get as less as possible extra features that could in some way broke or somebody can broke. So this is the most important features that every of our trailers needs. So mobility, rotation, and good quality screen. What I also forgot to mention is that the screen is Pixel 4, which is very good. Okay, let's focus on Kuba, how he easily opens the screen, because it's really easy. I even tried it and it was really a piece of cake. It's only 4 of such a turnbuckles. Also, if you could show in detail this rotation system, how really precious work is done here. All of those holes, you can just rotate it anywhere you want. So it rotates 360 degrees. So, and everything is also safe. So don't worry that it is not hydraulic. It is also, even if it's manual, it is also precise work. Okay, and now he's doing the last one. Maybe a few words about those closed cabinets. This is nothing, nothing special as those opened cabinets that we used before. But those closed cabinets are giving us guarantee that nothing extra happens with those cabinets. We are sure that they are protected, because of course they are waterproof, and that they are stable and solid. So this was made by purpose. We used this closed cabinets, and believe me, we tried this project with opened and also with enclosed cabinets. So enclosed cabinets won this competition. Okay, so now we finished with. You are repeating that folding, okay? And now I would like, okay, and you folding this, okay? And just let's give him time. You can also see that also we have a special place for that controller. It is hung on the magnesium. Is that correct? Yes. Great. So there is no space, unused space. Everything has its own purpose. Okay. And now we are folding it up. Okay, and now rotate. And also with that manual tools. And now you can see how easy and light it is. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm gonna, okay. You see, Kuba is doing that with one hand. He's adjusting the screen, securing the rotation. Okay, hiding the tool, also in special designed place for that. And now closing down the screen. Also, please take a closer look at the precious work of connecting each of the parts of the trailer. Smoothly, easy, silent work. No hand adjustments, no extra people to settle the screen. So the idea of Screen LED company is absolutely fulfilled here. Okay, so while the screen will be folding down, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the frame, the construction of the frame and the lower part of the trailer. So the frame, as the mast, is galvanized and powder painted. It is made in the same steel as the one as the trailers that we make in regular production. So nothing is less lower quality or something if you would worry. So the same steel, powder galvanized and powder painted. The size is flexible for American and European standards. This is also what I mentioned before, and I want to talk about it now, that we only exchange the axles. Here we have European axles, because this is what we had as a previous, this is what we put on the fast line, the European, but this trailer is leaving in a month to States, to the show that I mentioned. And we are just going to exchange the axles, put the American axles, and all the standards, all the measures will fit. Also you see the outriggers here. You are showing the outriggers. The outriggers here are the same we are using in the regular trailers. They are the same, they have the same load capacity, 3 tons each. The only difference is that they are fixed. They do not adjust on length, on the width of the trailer. They are just fixed, installed in the trailer. The drawbar is also flexible for the American standards, so don't worry about that. This one is European here. The floor is made in the corrugated steel, which is also a slippery proof and waterproof. What else we can mention here and is worth it? Of course, the lights can be also adjustment to the American and European standards. Of course, this trailer includes the cover, which covers each of those pieces of the screen separately. As you see, there's no roof on the top, so the special designed cover covers each of the part of the screens. Okay, I think I said everything what we have, to say from the general and main information, and I will be right back with you guys, and we will discuss about more details. Just give me a second.